Hello friend, let's learn the 12th letter in Malayalam alphabet. This is the letter. Closely observe the letter and try to memorize it in your mind. How does the letter sound? Let's check. It's easy to learn. We need to stretch the sound of the English letter O to get the sound of the Malayalam letter. That is O. Hope now you are able to pronounce the Malayalam letter O. Could you pronounce it 3 times? O. 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 Yes, now you brilliantly learnt to read the letter O. You have taken a good effort. We appreciate your spirit to learn new things daily. Thank you for your wonderful time to learn one more language. See you in the next class.